All right, if you're a freelancer or you run a small business in Pakistan, you're going to want to listen up. We're about to walk through what it means to be an active tax filer, and honestly, why it might just be the single most important financial move you make all year. So let me ask you something right off the bat, because the stakes here are huge. Is it possible that you are paying double or even more in taxes on major transactions, all because of a little detail about your filing status? For a lot of people, the answer is a shocking yes, and they don't even know it. Okay, get a load of this, because this is where it gets real. Just look at the numbers. If you're buying property, an active filer pays a 3% advance tax, but a non-filer, a whopping 12%. That is 4 times higher. We're not talking about a small difference here. That is a massive, massive penalty for inaction. And that right there is the whole point, isn't it? The cost of doing nothing is incredibly high. Your filer status for the 2026 tax year isn't just about ticking a box for the government. It has a direct and sometimes painful impact on your bank account. So let's really dig into what these labels mean for your wallet. So what even is filer status? Well, think of it like this. It's your official rating with the FBR, Pakistan's tax authority. This status tells everyone, banks, government agencies, you name it, what tax rate they have to charge you. It's basically your financial report card in the eyes of the entire system. So you basically fit into one of 3 buckets. First up, the active filer. You're the gold standard. You filed on time and you get the best, lowest tax rates. Then there's the late filer. You missed the deadline, but you paid a little penalty to get back on the active taxpayer list, or the ATL. Your rates are okay, but not the best. And then you have the non-filer. You haven't filed at all, and you get hit with the absolute highest financial penalties. And man, this slide really drives the point home. It's not just about buying property. Look at selling property. A non-filer pays more than triple in advance tax. What about getting dividend income from your investments? Yep, you're hit with a 10% penalty there too. And get this, even taking out your own money from the bank, anything over 50,000 rupees, costs you as a non-filer. While for an active filer, it's completely free. 0. Okay, let's talk real money. 900,000 rupees. That is the potential extra cash a non-filer pays compared to a filer when buying a property worth just 1 crore. That's nearly 1,000,000 rupees. Just gone. Poof. Out of your pocket simply because you're not on a list. That's insane, right? All right, so we've established the problem is huge, but here's the good news. The solution is actually way simpler than you probably think. You can become an active filer all by yourself online, so let's walk through it step by step. First things first, let's get your ducks in a row before you even open your web browser. Just gather these things up. You'll need your CNIC, a mobile number that's actually registered to you, a working email, and some basic info like a utility bill for your address, your bank details, and your income records. Trust me, having this stuff ready beforehand will make the whole process a total breeze. So here's the game plan. It's really just 4 simple steps. 1, you head over to the FBR's website. It's called the IRS portal, and you register for an account. That's where you'll get your national tax number, your NTN. 2, you get all those documents we just talked about together. 3, you log back in, fill out the online tax return form, and hit submit. And 4, that's it. You just wait for the FBR to update its active taxpayer list, which they do every month, and you'll be on it. It's all digital. Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you, especially if you do everything on your phone. The FBR actually has a mobile app called Tax Asan. It makes that first step of registering for your NTN and checking your status even easier. It's super user-friendly, so it's a real game changer if you prefer doing things on the go. Okay, so you've done the work, you filed your return. Now what? How do you actually know for sure that you're officially on the list? This is a super important final step, but thankfully, it couldn't be easier. No phone calls, no visiting any offices. You've got 2 super quick ways to check, and they literally take seconds. The fastest is probably just sending a text. Type your 13-digit CNIC number, no spaces or dashes, and send it to 9966. Boom! You'll get a message right back confirming your status. Or you can just pop over to the FBR's website, go to their online verification portal, type in your CNIC, and it'll show you right there on the screen. Simple as that. Now, I want to switch gears for a second here, because saving all that money is obviously a huge win. But being an active filer does something even more important for you as a freelancer or a business owner. It unlocks your potential. This isn't just about avoiding penalties. This is about creating opportunities. I mean, just look at the doors this opens for you. Need a business loan? It's so much easier when you're an active filer. Thinking about bidding on a government contract? Well, it's pretty much mandatory. Need certain business licenses? Yep, you'll need to be a filer for that too. It instantly makes you look more credible to clients and partners. And hey, it's the only way you can ever get a tax refund if you've paid too much. It's your ticket to being taken seriously. There's this one quote that just hits the nail on the head. In today's world, your filer status isn't just some annoying paperwork. You have to start thinking of it as a real financial asset. It's not a burden, it's a powerful tool that saves you money, boosts your reputation, and opens up a world of possibilities. So it all comes down to this, doesn't it? We've seen that becoming a filer is easy, it's digital, and the rewards are absolutely massive, from huge savings to a massive boost in your business's credibility. It is all literally just a few clicks away. So the only question left is, what are you waiting for?